everybody. Today I'm working on a 20 by 20 canvas, and I've already got black covering the canvas. I don't normally use a lot of black, so I'm kind of going out of my comfort zone a little bit today. So the colors that I'm using are, I've got a couple different blues. This one here is from the Fine Touch, and it's just blue. This lighter one here is a couple that I mixed together, and I've got Cerulean Blue from Artist Loft and Look at Me Blue from FolkArt. And then this one, it's a light green, and it's Marine Green, and that's from the Fine Touch. And then I've got a green in my bottle, and it's a blue green, and it's regular green and phthalo blue mixed together, and those are also the Fine Touch. And then black in my bottle is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, but the black that's on the canvas is from the Fine Touch. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium today. So a little bit of water too. So what I'm planning on doing is a couple of flip and drags, I think. I'm gonna try that. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so we're going to go in for the close-up so you can see there's not a whole lot in the way of cells. You can actually see, I don't know, right there, you can see there's some lacing appeared. So that's kind of cool. And there's a few cells that popped up just like along this edge. Right here's just, you know, very few. And then right there's a couple. Other than that, not a whole lot in the way of cells. What I do like is that there's some texture to the painting. You can see like right there, right up through the middle, where I used the airbrush, because the paint right through here was a little bit thicker. So you can kind of see like where the glare kind of is where the texture is. I love texture, so for me that's great. I like it. So all in all, I'm very happy with the way this turned out. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.